Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix missing file privileges on Steam. The missing file privileges error on Steam usually appears when Steam is unable to access, modify, or update files that belong to a game. This can happen during downloads, updates, or installations, and is often caused by corrupted game files, damaged installation data, permission issues, or problems within Steam's download cache. Although the error message sounds serious, it can often be resolved through a few simple troubleshooting steps. The first thing to try is verifying the integrity of the game's files. Open Steam and navigate to the Library section. Locate the game that is displaying the error. Right-click the game and select Properties. This opens the game's settings window. Next, navigate to Installed Files. Within this section, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all installed game files and compare them with the official versions stored on Steam servers. If any files are missing, damaged, or corrupted, Steam will automatically download and replace them. This process can take several minutes depending on the size of the game. Once the verification process is complete, launch the game or retry the update to determine whether the problem has been resolved. Many instances of the missing file privileges error are caused by damaged game files, making verification one of the most effective first troubleshooting steps. If the error still appears after file verification, the next option is to reinstall the affected game. Return to your Steam library and locate the game again. Right-click the game and select Manage, then choose Uninstall. Steam will remove the game from your system. After the uninstall process is complete, download and install the game again. A fresh installation replaces all game files and recreates the installation directory, which can resolve issues caused by corrupted files, damaged folders, or incomplete updates. Although reinstalling takes longer than file verification, it can often fix problems that verification alone cannot repair. If the issue continues even after reinstalling the game, the next area to investigate is Steam's download cache. Click the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to Downloads. Within the Download section, locate Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam stores temporary download information and server connection data in a local cache. If this cache becomes corrupted, it can interfere with downloads, updates, and file access operations. When prompted, click Confirm. Steam will restart automatically and rebuild its cache data. After signing back into Steam, test the game again to see whether the error has been resolved. It is important to understand that the missing file privileges error does not always indicate that files are physically missing. In many situations, Steam can see the files but lacks the ability to access or modify them properly. Common causes include corrupted game files, damaged installation folders, incomplete updates, corrupted Steam cache data, and file permission conflicts, antivirus interference. To summarize, fixing Steam's missing file privileges error begins by opening the game's Properties window, navigating to Installed Files, and selecting Verify Integrity of Game Files. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the game through Manage/Uninstall. Finally, if the error still remains, open Steam, Settings, Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, and confirm the restart. These steps address the most common causes of the error and often restore normal updating and installation functionality. And that's how to fix the missing file privileges error on Steam. By verifying game files, reinstalling damaged installations when necessary, and clearing Steam's download cache, you can resolve many instances of this issue and get your games downloading, updating, and launching normally again. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.